welcome you to our quiz competition today. So, as a trend which has been set in the past few years, Sports Connect has been reaching itself all over to the students nationally, in every state, in every region of the country. So, to mark the tradition and to continue the session, we will be pandemic is not bounding us to conduct and celebrate the physiotherapy among students. So, this year we are conducting and celebrating our connectivity through online. So, firstly, on behalf of Sports Connect team, I would like to welcome our guests of the day. Thank you so much, sir, Sudeep sir, and Jim sir, for giving your valuable time to us and being our esteemed session. I would like to thank my colleague Dr. Vinod for giving all the IT support and help wherever possible. Now, without wasting much of the time, I would like to hand over the session to Dr. Vinod so that he can introduce the judges of the day.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. It's really wonderful event, the Sports Connect 3, and I just shows my all the gratitude towards all the participants from the colleges who have joined us to make this event mega successful, because without students, it couldn't be good and it couldn't be attractive and it couldn't be like interesting. And now today we are having the two judges with us. If any disputes, anything happen, all that the decision will be in the hand of our two the judges. And we are having the two moderators, ma'am and myself, Vinod Kaushik. And I just request all the students, you have to mute your audio. As your turn will come, then you have to unmute so that that background sounds will not come in that. And I will just give a brief about Dr. Sudeep Saxena. Hello, sir. Dr. Sudeep Saxena, please unmute, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Dr. Sudeep Saxena, sir, is clinician with a 22 years of experience running two physiotherapy clinics in Lucknow since 1998 with the name of Healing Hands Physiotherapy and Pain Relief Center. Sir is national coach for MATP in a Special Olympics Bharat and clinical director of Fun Fitness in the Special Olympics Bharat, chairperson IAP East Zone Branch Coordination Committee. Thanks a lot. Welcome, sir. Please, sir, few words about the Sports Connect 3 organized by Dr. Ruchi Vaishnavi, ma'am.
Well, I have been associated with Sports Connect since its first episode in 2018. And yes, I have seen it grow. The episodes 1, 2, and now the third episode. Yes, it has been excellent program, and all the credit for the technical know-how goes to Dr. Ruchi Vaishnavi. She has been single-handed drawing the program, and I welcome you all for this third edition, especially this quiz program. And I hope all do well. All the best.
Thanks a lot, sir. Now our second judge is Dr. Jim Gopal Krishnan, sir, from Kerala. Sir is Director and Chief Physiotherapist at Jim's Physio and Rehab Center. Sir is HOD at the Department of Physiotherapy, NIMS, the Medicity, Trivandrum. Sir is Honorary Consultant with the Obesity Solution. Sir is Director and Coordinator with the NIMS Nano Clinics. Sir is Clinical Instructor at the European School of Physio, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Sir has served as Treasurer of IAP Trivandrum branch, and now Sir is serving as General Secretary of IAP Kerala State. I just request, Sir, please have few words about the Sports Connect is going on.
Thank you very much for the introduction. And Sports Connect is doing very well since it has started. Hats off to Dr. Ruchi Vaishnavi ma'am, who has been, doing all this job done in a very good manner, and all the team members and all the supporters, coordinators, and the team who are making this program a grand success. And this is during this pandemic, nothing is impossible. with the unity of all the physios. So I wish all the best for the whole team and for the participants too. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir, for being here. Now I will just...
No, sir. Sir,
please.
I would like to add one thing. Dr. Jim Gopalakrishnan is also clinical director for Fun Fitness in Special Olympics, as well as the clinical director for MITC in Special Olympics.
Yes,
We
yes,
have
yes.
been working together for Special Olympics since long.
Yeah, myself and Dr. Sudeep is working together in Special Olympics. I mentioned in that, so I think you may be missed.
Okay, thank you. Now just I will hand over to...
thank you, Dr. Sudeep.
Sir.
Jasmine ma'am, please take.
Right, so thank you so much. So once again, welcome to everyone. I will quickly brief you with the rules for today's program. So we will be having 3 rounds. Round 1, which will be consisting of general anatomy as well as clinical related questions to all streams of physiotherapy. Round 2 will be again related to specifics, special clinical questions related to physiotherapy, all streams, be it orthopedic, neurological, geriatric, pediatric, as well as sports. And round 3, since it will be matching with the theme of today's session, that is Sports Connect, so it will be consisting of sports GK question. Each team will be given a 30-second time to respond to each question. I repeat, each team will be given a 30-second time to respond to each question. No use of any other media or alternatives gadget is allowed. If any team is found to be using some unethical practice mode, then they will be automatically rejected in the presence of the judges. Second, first and second round, they do not carry any negative marking. The negative marking is only present in the final round. In the first round, 3 questions will be asked to each team. The team members will switch on their camera when their turn posts up. 30 seconds will be given. Buzzer will be pressed, and post that they will switch off their cameras. Second, following this, each team will be asked 3 questions in a session. Post that, 5 teams will be selected for the round 2. In round 2, again, we will ask 2 questions from each team. And for the final session, we will ask 3 questions from the subsequent team. So I hope the rules and regulations are clear to each and every team. All the best from my side. If there is any doubt, please let me know. I have clarified all the rules very clearly. Each question, each team will be given.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I repeat, each team will be given. Please allow me to complete, student. Please, each team will be given a 30-second time to complete the question. In round 2, each team, out of 8, 5 will be selected, and from them 3 questions will be asked. And finally, in round 3, out of 3 teams, out of 5, 3 teams will be selected, and there the final first, second, and third team will be announced. The team members are as follows. Team 1 is from MBN University, including Ishika Singla, Cheshta Bhatia, and Kanchan Mittal. Second team, again, is from MBN University, which includes Kalpana Goyal and Kishori. Team 3 is from Sai College of Physiotherapy, Roshni Jaiswal, Srishti Gupta, Vaishnavi Gond. I believe they have not reported yet. Team 4 is from Index College, which is Mariam Kanchanwala, Nitin Goyal, and Suraj Vaishnav. Team 5 is from Kailash College, Students are Amit Pachori, Kaushal Mishra, and Pragya Verma. Team 5 is from SGT University, Kritagya, Prince Rohila, and Himanshu. Team 7 is from Sai College again, Akanksha, Ankita, and Miss Anjali. And team 8 is from Sai College again, that is Vaishnavi, Pooja, and Bhuvneshwar. So I believe all students have heard their name and all the rules and regulations are clear to everyone. So with this, I request the judges for the permission to start the first round of Sports Connect 3 quiz competition.
Sure, ma'am. Please carry on.
Yes, you may start, please.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. So the first team of the day, that is MVN University, Ishika Singla, Mrinali, Cheshta, please switch on your cameras, and rest students, please switch off your cameras. So all 4 of you are present here?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So let me repeat again. 3 questions will be asked to you in quick succession. Those who want to answer, all 4 will not answer in a go. Those who want to answer from your team will raise your hand within 30 seconds duration. Only the first answer will be accepted. No second chance will be given. All right. So please, whosoever is confident on the answer should answer and raise their hand. I hope I am clear with the instruction.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? All right. So, right. So your first question, Team A, is identify the correct answer. If MRI image correctly identifies 95% of the patients as positive for anterior cruciate ligament injury. I repeat, if MRI identifies 95% of the patient as positive for anterior cruciate ligament injury, then the diagnosis of MRI is considered to be number 1, stable, number 2, significant, number 3, sensitive, and number 4, specific. Your time starts now.
Ma'am, please repeat the options.
Specific, sensitive, significant, and